Hello everyone. Today we are going to look at how social distancing can be an effective measure in order to prevent pandemic like COVID-19. So this is netlogo, a simulating software used to simulate such processes, and these are the people in the network. And I'll create the network first. Okay, so there are totally 200 people, and initial number of people infected is 3. And this is what the parameter that determines the social distancing. So initially you are not following the social distancing, which means that you are connected to at an average 4.6 other persons. Let's make the network first. So this network is so dense, and now execute the program. Here in this plot we can see that the number of people who are infected in time as a fraction. So within a limited time, if you are not following the social distancing, the whole of the population got infection. So that's one of the main problem if you are not following social distancing. And what if you are following social distancing? That means if your average connection to other people is less than 1, say 0.8, let's make that network. So the network itself is very sparse, and the initial number of people who are infected is same as that of before. Now executing or simulating, you can see that the average number of people who got infection when you are following social distancing is very low. That is of the order of 0.075. So it is very low compared to that of you are not following social distancing. So that is the basic difference. When you are following social distancing, the overall people who will get infection will be significantly reduced. And you can do this with higher number of people. Say my total number of people is 500, and number of initial people is say 50 or 61, whatever. And so in a highly connected network, you can see still it is of the order of 0.3. In this network, the average number of people is very high, and the total number of people is of the order of 500. So as the number of people increases, the proportion of people who get infection also increases. Still, if you do the same process with higher number of per capita contact rate, you will see an explosion of cases. So executing it. So netlogo takes some time to simulation, and you can see the number rises here. Wait for it. So when the number of people increased as well as the number of connections increased, the whole of the population got infected in a very little time. Before it was only about 0.3 fraction of the total population. Now it's almost 100%. So that's all about social distancing.